Hello friend, if we learn emo hacking, so you let's now go Google Play Store, uh, install a nice, the best software, um, download, then install, mm, then working. This app's name, huh, Emo Vita, Emo VITA, Emovita. Uh, Emovita freckles. These apps, Emovita, open and working. Thank you watching my video. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks and share.